Good morning students and welcome to session 3 of English grammar. I am Sakshi and today I'll teach you about kinds of sentences. So let's start the chapter number 5, that is kinds of sentences. Beta, in the previous sessions you have learnt about a sentence. So sentence is what? It is a set of words that makes a complete sense. So beta, on the basis of this, a sentence may convey a statement, a question, a command, request or advice, a strong feeling or emotion. For example, if I'll give you example of this, well done, wow. So these are example of strong feeling or emotion. So on the basis of this, there are four kinds of sentences. So we will gonna study about these kinds of sentences one by one in detail. Assertive sentences. The sentences which declares or asserts a statement, feeling, opinion, history or anything is called as assertive sentence. An assertive sentence ends with a full stop. It can be either affirmative or negative. So here some examples of assertive sentences. See, Arjun is an honest person. I am feeling tired. So these are simple statements. A rainbow has 7 colors. So these are some examples of assertive sentences. Interrogative sentences. When the sentence asks a question, then it is interrogative sentences. Here are some examples. Can you swim? When will you buy a new bicycle? What is your hobby? See, at the end of the sentence, there is a question mark. So these sentences ends with the question mark. Imperative sentences. These sentences expresses a command, request, advice or suggestion. So these sentences gives a command or a request to do something. For example, take exercise daily. Look at the rainbow. Don't be lazy. Sit down. Give me notebook. Give me your pen. So these are some examples of imperative sentences. Exclamatory sentences. These sentences expresses a strong feeling or emotion. For example, wow, this book is awesome. How nice of you. Well done. How beautiful the rainbow is. So in these sentences, a strong feeling or emotion is shown. And beta, at the end of every sentence, you can see exclamation mark. So at the end, we use exclamation mark in exclamatory sentences. Okay. Make 4 kinds of sentences using the word beautiful. Assertive. I saw a beautiful bird. Interrogative. Where is your beautiful dress? Imperative. Make your drawing beautiful. Exclamatory. What a beautiful rainbow it is. So this is how you can make 4 kinds of sentences by using the word beautiful. In your book, 2 more words are given, that is wisdom and look. So you have to do that and that will be your homework. Okay. So let me recapitulate what we have studied so far. There are 4 kinds of sentences. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. An assertive sentence simply states something. Interrogative sentence is used to ask a question. Imperative sentence expresses a command. And exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. So this is all about kinds of sentences. Okay, so this page is from your grammar book. This is question number 1, page number 19. That is identify the kinds of sentences. And there are 15 sentences in the first question. So you have to find which kind of sentence is that. In the second question, make 4 kinds of sentences using these words. Okay, so there are 4 words. Beautiful word we have done the previous slide. Wisdom and look you have to do. But for the first question, I'll give you the answers. But for wisdom and look, okay, these 2 words you have to do it on your own. That will be your homework. Okay, just look at the third question. Match the situation with the exclamation. Your sister won a medal. So you'll say, well done. You get a gift. Thanks a lot. So the rest of the 3 sentences you have to do it and that will again be your homework. And I hope now you can do question number 2 and question number 6 of chapter 3. That is a sentence you have done in the previous session. Okay. I'll give you the PDF of these pages and general instructions separately. So kindly read them carefully. And thank you.